It's incredibly difficult to scale knowledge. We do live trainings and video content, guides, tutorials. Really, it never ends. But between the distractions and all the commitments that people have today, it's really difficult to get and convey your message in a single training. So, I want to show you a creative way that you can bring life to your training after it's over to be able to help scale the information that you have in three very simple step process after that Zoom training's over. One of the first things you're going to do is go into Docs and you're going to go into your meeting. In this case, we're going to look at this Acme 1000 of fake training that we did, and we're going to create a Zoom doc. And right from here, I have the option to be able to use the general template, or I can convert this to whatever I would like. Let's do a lecture summary as an example. All right, so I can invite anybody else that was invited in, or bring into the document anybody else that was invited to the training. And then now I've got a really nice product summary of all the topics we covered inside of this training. Now, simply that captured with the recording, which also can be leveraged using AI with our smart recording capabilities of AI Companion, distributed out to your audience is going to be able to help give them some options, but we can continue to evolve and go from there. So say, for example, I want to add a study guide. So create a study guide on the training. And AI Companion can help us to be able to create maybe more of a simplified, condensed version of what really ultimately our audience needs to know. I can also continue to develop this out a little further. So let's say we want to create a 5-question quiz. And ultimately, it can help me maybe create some sort of a follow-up quiz, and I can make that fill in the blank, or as you see here, a multiple choice with an answer key at the bottom. All of this is great info. How do I scale the message out maybe with video? Because if I'm going to do an hour-long training, the likelihood of maybe that anybody is going to watch that might be low. So I want to generate a video. So let's create a script, for example. And I'm just going to put this prompt in here that says, create a concise, engaging 100-word script. I just want to make it short for the case of this demo. And we're going to run this, and it's going to generate a really nice short script that I could read to be able to introduce the meeting summary or their smart recording or the quiz or whatever that may be. So we'll keep that. Now, I can, of course, record this. Zoom has a great product called Zoom Clips, which is what I use every day when I post these videos. But I also can use now AI with Zoom Clips. So inside of Zoom Clips, I can create a new clip by just clicking new clip, or I can select this drop-down option and create with AI Companion. And now Zoom AI Companion allows you to be able to use a video avatar to create your video message. So we can pick any one of these avatars here. Let's pick Julian. And I can also, in a background, select perhaps maybe I want to work out of a conference room today, or maybe a corner office. That looks good at the beach. And I just got to copy and paste my script, that 100-word script that I showed you earlier, and I just hit create clip. And ultimately now it's using Julian in this case. And as you can see, it's queuing up, and it takes a couple minutes, but ultimately it generates a short video with the script that I copied and pasted, of course, and validated and made any updates that I wanted to do. And you can see there, it's already started generating my video. I hope this helps you understand how you can scale your trainings with the information that you have in that meeting through the use of AI Companion by leveraging the meeting summary and the transcript in order to create things like study guides, quizzes, and even follow-up video scripts where you can actually leverage AI to be able to help you with a video avatar.